Welcome guys to OPTIMER FS. In this video I will review to you another profitable strategy that will help you trade volatility 10 index profitably. Profitably. Now before I proceed, please, if you like my previous video, kindly encourage me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Now in this strategy, this is how the strategy work. There are two indicators used here: moving average and ADX. Now this is how the strategy works. When there is a simultaneous crossing between the ADX lines and the price or the candlesticks crossing the moving average at the same time, simultaneously, is what I mean. When the ADX line crosses each other and the candlestick crossing moving average at the same time, simultaneously, take a trade. Now we are taking what? Sell position. We are taking sell position. This is profit for you guys. As simple as it is, this is what profit for you. Whenever there is a simultaneous crossing, now you see the profit is still going. Now here, watch out, there is a simultaneous crossing here. This is here is the crossing and here is the crossing, and if you watch, both of them occur simultaneously. So here you take what? Buy position. You take what? Buy position. So there are a lot of gain here. You see, there are a lot of gain here. So let's proceed. Now there is something I want to explain to you here. Now whenever you see, pay attention, whenever you see the ADX line twisting themselves, watch here. You see how the ADX lines are twisting themselves. What it shows that the market is what? Ranging. What it shows is that the market is what? Ranging. Now if you watch, this is the area here. What it shows that what? The market is what? Ranging. Whenever you see ADX line twisting each other, what it shows that is that what? The market is what? Ranging. So at this point now, the market is what? Ranging. So I don't take any trade here. So let's proceed. Now watch here. This is a crossing here and this is a simultaneous crossing here. So if you watch this, you see that both crossing occur at the same time. Both of them occur simultaneously. So we take what? Our trade. So this is enough profit for you guys. Now we proceed. Now watch here again. You see a simultaneous crossing. Check. You see that both of them occur at the same time. So we take buy position. We take what? Buy position. So we move. Watch here again. You see simultaneous crossing. This is ADX crossing, and here is the price crossing the moving average. If you check, both of them occur at the same time. So we take what? Our trade. Here we take sell position. You understand? So this is enough gain for you to bag. So we proceed. Watch again. Guys, this is a killer strategy. Watch it. Watch here. You see that the crossing occur simultaneously. You take what? You take here buy position. As simple as that. guys, as simple as that. Now there is something I want to show you. Now pay attention, there is something I want to show you. Observe these 2 points. You see there is a crossing here, there is a crossing here, but is there any crossing here? There is no crossing here. So the crossing here, we don't take any position here because there is no simultaneous crossing by the ADX line, so we don't take any trade here. So we proceed. Now watch out here, watch out here. You see there is what crossing here, and here there is what simultaneous crossing. So we take what our trade, and this is what sell position, and that's how it is. As simple as that, guys. This pays heavily. This is strategy pays very well. Look at it. You look at it, you see that both of them occur simultaneously. So you take what you have buy position, take what you have buy position. So we move. Still the same thing, guys. This strategy pays very well. Watch it. Here is the crossing, and watch it here. Here is what the crossing, and if you shake, both of them occur simultaneously. So you take what sell position, as simple as that. So this pays heavily. Now watch here. You see here there is crossing here, there is another crossing here, this is a crossing here, and here is the crossing. You do what? You take your position, shake, both of them occur at the same time. So you take your what sell position, as simple as that. You see, enough gain for you, guys, enough gain for you, enough gain for you. Watch here, watch here. There is a simultaneous crossing here. Here is the crossing, and here is the crossing. Guy, you take your trade immediately. Take your trade immediately. This is enough gain for you. This is what enough gain for you, and that's how you see enough gain for you, guy. This is strategy pays very, very well. Very, very well. Now here is another thing. Look up. Here is another thing. I want to show you something. If you watch here, there is what crossing here, but if you watch down, is there any crossing? There is no crossing. So that is a false signal. So we proceed. Now watch here, watch again. Here is what crossing, and if you watch here, there is what simultaneous crossing. There is a simultaneous crossing. So you take your what sell position, as easy as that. Now let me show you the settings. Let me show you the settings. The first indicator is what moving average. Period is 90. Write it down. The period is what 90, while the method is what exponential. That is for moving average. Period is 90, method exponential. Then for average directional movement index, the period is 100. Period is what 100. Write it down. Period is what 100. Now the style, the color of the style should be the same as the color of what your screen background. Your screen background. So please, guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.